So I'm finally here in Austin, Texas. Just gotta meet my new roommates. What's up, nigga?
Nigga, please leave.
What?
We've been down this road before. That's it. I'm calling the cops.
I can't stop.
Good morning!
Do your homework.
You're so sweet.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, I thought you wanted to D.
No.
This is Sparta. No, this is Patrick.
You're at the cops? Shit! Why'd you run, bro? Because you black!
We're trying to get Joe to stop smoking.
Lying to me smoking a cigarette, dude. It's so weird.